Exercise 1.2 of chapter 1. First question. Which of the following are examples of the null set? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. We know that odd numbers are not divisible by 2, so there are no elements in this set. So this is a null set. Set of even prime numbers. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. Since the set contains one element, this is not a null set. X is a natural number where x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. There is no number less than 5 and greater than 7. So this set is a null set. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Consider two parallel lines. These lines never meet. So there is no common point. Hence this is a null set. Next question. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The set of months of a year. We know that number of months of a year are 12. So we can count the number of elements. So it is a finite set. 1, 2, 3, so on. Here the number of elements are unlimited. So the set is an infinite set. 1, 2, 3, so on till 100. Here the elements are countable. So this set is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. There are unlimited number of elements greater than 100. So this set is an infinite set. The set of prime numbers less than 99. Prime numbers less than 99 are countable. Hence this is a finite set. Next question. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. So consider the coordinates x and y. Here the set is lines which are parallel to x-axis. So we can draw infinite number of lines parallel to x-axis. So this is an infinite set. The set of letters in the English alphabet. So we know there are 26 letters in English alphabet, which is countable. Hence this is a finite set. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. The elements of this set will be 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. Here the number of elements are unlimited. So this set is an infinite set. The set of animals living on the earth. So number of animals on earth are countable. Hence this is a finite set. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. Consider the coordinate system. The set of circle passing through the origin are infinite. So this set is an infinite set. Next question. In the following, state whether A equal to B or not. Let us compare set A and set B. All the elements are same, only the order is different. Hence, set A is equal to set B. If we compare these two sets, here element 12 belongs to set A, which doesn't belong to set B. Hence, these two sets are not equal and we say A is not equal to B. First, let us write set B in roster form. Here x is positive even integer less than or equal to 10. So the elements are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now compare set A and set B. All the elements are same. So set A is equal to set B. Let us write set A in roster form. Here x is a multiple of 10. So the elements are 10, 20, 30 and so on. If we compare set A and B, element 15 belongs to B, which doesn't belongs to set A. Hence, the elements are not same. So A is not equal to B. Next question. Are the following pair of sets equal? Here set B is a quadratic equation. First, simplify this quadratic equation. We can write this as x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. If we take x common, we have x plus 3, and if we take 2 common, we have x plus 3 equal to 0. Simplify this. X plus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0, which means x equals to minus 3 or minus 2. Now let us write set B in roster form. It has two elements, minus 2 and minus 3. You can write it in any order. Now compare set A and set B. The elements are not same, hence these two sets are not equal. Let us write these two sets in roster form. Set A will be F, O, L, W. We write only the distinct elements. And set B is W, O, L, F. All the elements are same. So set A is equal to set B. Next question. From the sets given below, select equal sets. Here we have to compare all the sets with each and every set. First let us compare set A with remaining sets. If we compare set A and B, here the elements are different, so A and B are not equal. Next, A and C not equal, A and D not equal, A and E not equal, A and F not equal, A and G not equal, and A and H is also not equal. So set A is not equal to any other set. Next we are going to compare set B with remaining sets. Set B and C. Elements are different, so they are not equal. B and D. The elements are same, only the order is different. So these two are equal sets. B and E not equal. B and F not equal. B and G not equal. B and H also not equal. So the only equal sets are B and D. Next we are going to compare set C with remaining sets. Next set D. Next set E. Here set E and G have same elements, only the order is different. So these two are equal sets. E and H are not equal. So the equal sets are E and G. Next, we are going to compare F with remaining sets. Next, set G with H. So the only equal sets are B and D and E and G.